almost at the Averegten. It's a bright and sunny day. It's about 4 degrees Celsius outside. And because it's Thursday, I don't think we'll have much trouble finding a parking space. When I woke up this morning, there was a layer of snow, well, not really mentionable, just on the rooftops of cars. But, well, it's quite obvious winter is knocking at our doors. Okay, and here we are. Oh yeah. I guess I'm going to put on my rubber boots. It has been raining for the past several days, so I'll be back in a jiffy. About 2 years ago, they cut the trees, shrubs, etc., and are now trying to create an original heather landscape. It's not very cold outside. In fact, I'm just wearing one t-shirt and my waterproof vest. The sun is disappearing, coming back. Just a beautiful afternoon. There's really some beautiful light here. Now there's a hailstorm and it's getting colder and colder, so I guess I'll be heading back to my car. Oh yes, if you like my content, subscribe. It will make me happy, it doesn't cost you a dime, and it helps my channel. See you folks!